Hey everyone, today I'm giving away these free goal setting printables that you can access using the link in the description down below. And today's video was a request by Jody for a video on small goals like fitness, eating healthy, and personal time. So I'm going to be showing how you can use your planner to achieve your goals using these inserts. SMART is an acronym that stands for specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, and time-bound. And these are the essential criteria that make your goals clear, achievable, and focused. So first, specific means that your goal should be crystal clear and well-defined. Measurable means there should be a way to track your progress. Attainable means that the goal should be realistic and achievable given your current resources. Relevant means that your goal should matter to you and align with your broader objectives. And then time-bound means that you should set a specific deadline so that you are following through on your goal. Before we get started filling out these sheets, please leave a comment down below with a goal that you want to work on, and this will help guide the content of future videos so I can tailor them more to fit your needs. If you don't know what you want to work on, I recommend just doing a brain dump whenever I don't know where to start. It really helps to just jot down all of my ideas on either a sheet of dot grid or a sheet of aligned paper and just get it all out there and then decide what is my top priority, what goal do I want to focus on. So I made this printable both left justified and right justified in case you want to have a 2-page spread like I show here. At the top it says category. So the category is going to be personal time, and the first section is specific. Describe what you want to accomplish using 1 to 2 sentences. So I'm going to say, I want to dedicate 15 minutes every day to reading self-improvement books. And it asks when and where will it take place. So I'm going to say, I will set aside this reading time every evening from 9 p.m. to 9:15 p.m. And then we get to measurable. How will you measure your progress? I will add a checkbox to each day in my planner to check off each time I achieve my goal. I will keep a reading log where I record the titles and authors of the books I read. And I will schedule in regular check-ins to review my progress and evaluate how to better overcome obstacles. Under attainable, it says, which obstacles will you have to overcome? How will you overcome these obstacles? I will make up for missed days by reading an additional 15 minutes the following day. Why is this important to you and relevant to your life? Daily reading will allow me to relax and expand my knowledge and creativity. Time-bound, what date would you like to achieve your goal by? I will start this reading habit on November 1st and continue it for at least the next 3 months, ending on February 1st. And then at the bottom it says SMART Goal Summary. Here we're going to kind of summarize the entire goal. I just don't know what to do. Up here it says SMART goals, so this is just so I don't get different goal sheets confused if you have different SMART goals at the same time. So I'm just going to write a quick explanation of which page these action steps are referencing. So now we're going to break this goal down into action steps. And if you don't feel super confident about, coming up with the action steps, again, you can take out your blank sheet of paper and brain dump some ideas for what you think action steps could be. Also, I mentioned in a previous video Goblin Tools. That is a great resource for breaking something down. All you have to do is type in what your goal is, and then it will just automatically generate your action steps. And I'll link the video that goes into detail on how that works in the description down below. So I'm going to start by filling out this action step column, and then we'll worry about the due dates later. I get a little starstruck when I see him. I couldn't hate him even if I tried. So now we're going to pick out the due dates for each of these action steps. For this example, we're going to plan back from November 1st so that we are fully prepared by that date. So now that we have the due dates, we know when we need to have these completed by, and now we can start scheduling this into our planner. So for the sake of this video, I would normally schedule this into my weekly spreads, but I just want you to be able to see like the overview of how this would work. And it doesn't even matter to me where I go. I just feel I need to take a ride. If you want to see more videos on how you can use your planner to set goals, check out this video next, and I'll see you next Saturday. Now my wheels in motion and my wheels